system design people. So they are mostly the architects. So they are known as system architects, okay, or technical architects. Okay, how to do this? I'll just take this, put it in next line. Okay, so they will actually document, they will design the two flows, flow, flow. So what does it mean by high level flow? High level flow is nothing but the design which shows all overall architecture of whole flow, overall architecture, how it would look like and everything in terms of different modules. So what is the inter module, accounts module, and transaction module, and logout module, let's say. So they will just diagrammatically represent all these okay, I think it's not opening, that's okay. Yeah, so this should be it, or we can take this example. So this is how the high level design looks like. So this doesn't specify the internal structure, but just specifies what is the outer structure. How does it look like and everything. If you can see everyone, or I'll just open this. Okay, this is better. Or let's take this. Okay, so this is also a good example. Projects high level design, what the user will do in, and if it goes into this direction, what it will do, like storing in databases and what it will do. So this is purely overall, this is how it would look like. Let's see this. Okay, yeah, so this of sensors, so what it would do, how it would access internet and internet of things, and where it will just understand that. And low level design will go inside this, inside the internet of things, like how it would connect to each fridge, and how would that they behave inside the technical aspects, that it would in detail represent. So that would be called low level design. So just understand that high level design will represent all the modules and their interconnectivity, and low level design will go to these modules and show inner design inside each in very details, like what is the different flow and everything. Okay, so they will also testing for the inner structure in the low level design. So while this is going on, some other can deploy the development team, them test this unit wise. So will start because what they want to implement now, they can start implementation. So developers will come into picture and understand these requirements, understand the designs, how the flow will go. So that's all they need to know, and start the coding in any of these languages, Java, .NET, or C, C++, C#, or Python, whichever is the specified coding language by the client, because it also needs some licensing. So client will decide what coding language they want to, and based on the technique, kind of project they are working on. If it is a government project, mostly they will prefer Java because it's more robust, and if they are like looking for the fancy thing, they can go for .NET. If it is really .com project, so it all depends. Okay, so after the implementation is done, then you have the functionality, and you have web based application like a URL, and you can go and check the URL in the browser and navigate through it. So now testing team can actually participate in the testing because they have all the application they want.